So basically, where's the pink circle? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Robbie Pro Studios. Today we are playing Do Not Press the Button. This game is basically, the game title is Don't Press the Button, but these Roblox players just want to play it. Back on Family Wellness Journal, I actually tried making a video about this, and I managed to do it, but it wouldn't fail to upload for some reason back on Family Wellness Journal. So I guess this kind of makes up for it. Alright, so we have to stay clear of the red chocolate, and that's definitely important that we do that.
Chocolate! Chocolate!
Oh frick, bro. Someone's name is Duck. What the D you see? Oh frick, bro. It's all thank freaking goodness, guys. Oh my gosh, bro. So if it's either one of these four, I'll be safe, since I'm technically on all four of them. Oh yes, thank freaking goodness. Right, there it is. Alright, guys. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Yes, alright, we're back to neutral. Someone please don't make me slip of that. Guys, I don't know what to do. Freaking good. Dude, bro just freaking died. What do I do? Guys, like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. This game's so freaking hard. Man, bro, the people with the red carpets are lucky. I've never seen this tool before. What's this guy holding? Right over here. The only thing I've got right here is, you know, just a brick wall that I'm about to demolish. Did I just get blue? Why is my skin blue? Well, yeah, alright, cool then. Let's get them. Alright, guys, let's get them to the side. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we'll win, basically. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we just completely beat them. Whoa, don't let them take us. No. You're not doing that. Don't. It's frick, bro. Alright, get that to the other side. We can't let these people freaking take away our balls, bro. Yep. Dye the red balls and our blue. Frick, guys, bro! Oh, they just collect. Hey, stay there. Hey! No one's even freaking singing the blue team, bro. The blue team won. Hey! I want to press it. Oh, this is interesting. We just gotta color the most amount of tiles. I see. Well, I've played this game before, so I really know. I'm just trying to act like, you know how those guys, you get what I mean, don't you? Nope, not so fast, my guy. I'm sorry, but I'm taking this over. Taking this all over. Here it comes. Hey, what's your freaking problem? You got a problem? Nope, red ain't gonna, red screen's enemy, isn't it? I ain't gonna let no red steal my glory. Nor purple, nor gray, nor yellow, nor lighter green. I just really want to say green there. Alright, yeet. Oh my gosh! Frick, bro. Well, get the You just ruined it for me, didn't you? Oh, frick, bro. Guys, it is 9:03 p.m. right now. I'm filming this video late at night. We're over here. After this, I might just, as we'll get to the editing program, but I might have to edit it tomorrow. Big brain. So yeah, this video will probably come out tomorrow. It is Wednesday right now. Oh, the chosen one. That's what right there. I want to press it. Okay, moving platforms. Here we go. Ah! Boy, you lucky. Oh no, frick. Yo, get back and play it. Whoa, no! I feel so bad. Someone has a freaking gun. Bro, that is just unfreaking fair. They cannot use a laser gun on me, the greatest YouTuber on earth.
No, son.
Like and subscribe so that way that actually happens. Hey, did you get shot too, or did you fall in? Frick, I hate the people who always try to shoot people. Knock the door. Bro, did someone get murdered or something? Yeah, I'm never gonna watch that hat again. Run! Oh, frick, bro, it's a freaking skeleton. I really don't want to do this at night. Guys, honestly, I would not prefer this round at night. So I just died. So that way I could just stay around here, watch these people get scared to death by that thing. Well, I build bricks up in the clouds. Hey, you got free bricks right there. We're dinosaurs! Bro. Reach the end. Oh! This is not. Hey! No! Well, that quickly ruins my dinosaur costume. No mess with the dinosaur costume. I'm just messing. And plus, we'd be extinct in real life. Hey, little button, I want to press you. Even though the instructions say not to. I break rules. Do not shoot me. If you shoot me, I'm gonna be so mad, bro.
Handle that thing. Handle that thing. Yeah!
Getting mad as frick. Gimme! Yo! We're big! Yo, I can finally at least jump freaking high, bro. Hey, it's me! What's the bad avatar? I really need to change this. The most amount of you have to pick the giant after before the candy, bro. It's literally freaking. Actually, I take that. Hey, don't let me. Yeah, baby, I got the donuts. One behind this ice cream? Nope. One behind this, whatever this is? Nope. Good girl. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's not very much. Real life, brick girl. Hey, look, it's a cake. It's like a raspberry cake or something. It's like a raspberry cheesecake, kind of. And all of these are lollipops. Okay. No, you had to pick this round. Na, 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 na. Let's go. Frick! Oh, we got him, I got him, I got him! Frick. Well, now I'm a tiny noob again. Frick, bro. Hey, dude. Did you get knocked out too? Don't worry, I'll build you a brick wall as a gift for me for downing. Just play with it! Play with it. Because it's your favorite toy. Oh, bro, get the stupid go. Oh. Oh, holy frick, bro, crap. Bro, that thing can literally freaking blow us up. Ooh! No, no, no. Little button. What'd you do? Oh, frick! What is wrong with you? Bro, guy literally trapped me instead. Oh, no, nope, you're not doing that again, bro. You're not freaking doing that. On your marks, get set, go! Unfair, you got rainbow carpets. Over here, bro. Oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I can still. Alright, I came up in 3rd place right over here. I finished 3rd place, baby. Yo, what's with the farm bleachers right over here? Oh, I get it. Frick, bro. This is so freaky. Like, what if one comes and hits you? Yes! Yay! Why are you still big, Frick, bro? It's funny watching people suffer by the snowballs when I did as well. Revenge! Hey. Nope, nope, you're not doing that. You're not doing that. I swear, you're not doing that. You gotta find the diamonds. Okay. Where could it be? There's so many places it could be. Hey. Turns out it could be over here. Or over here. Or over here. Or here. Or here. Or here. Or here. It could be anywhere. On the great minds. The beyonds of this dirt pit thing, frick, bro. Well, it definitely does look like we dug up a pretty good tunnel around here. Oh, guys, oh, guys, oh, guys. We cannot freaking find the diamonds. Let's go frick them. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No one found the diamond. Sorry. Alright, guys. Well, I think that's actually going to be the end of the video for today. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's going to be the end of the video for today. So, yeah. If you guys enjoy that, make sure to like and subscribe. And give me some ideas of what I should do next. This was basically somewhat just, you know, I posted this on Family Wellness Channel actually. It failed to upload. So, well, I didn't post this exact video, but I posted a video related about this game on it. On Family Wellness Channel. If you guys don't know what it is, if you're new to the channel, then it's basically a channel I started on before I had my own. And so, but yeah, comment down below what I should do next. Give me some ideas. I never have any ideas. That's why I'm always not posting. Make sure to like and subscribe. You guys are awesome. You make my day when you come to this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.